Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to check your passwords in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started with these simple steps. Step 1. Open Chrome. Start by launching the Chrome browser on your PC. Simply double-click on the Chrome icon to open it. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More icon. It is represented by 3 vertical dots arranged vertically. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Google Password Manager. This will take you to the Password Manager page. Step 4. Now, click on Checkup to review the security of your saved passwords. This will analyze your passwords and provide suggestions for improving your online security. And that's it. You have successfully checked your passwords in Chrome on your PC. By regularly reviewing your passwords, you can ensure the safety and security of your online accounts. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay safe and secure online.